Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate from cacao nibs in a food processor. Because yes, you can actually make chocolate paste in a food processor. And then, as a bonus, I'm going to share my favorite vegan milk chocolate bar recipe with you. So let's start by toasting the cacao nibs in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes. This makes the chocolate less bitter and it loosens up the oils so that they're easier to grind in the machine. Once everything's in the machine, you can leave it on for 1 minute at a time. We're going to take 5 2-minute breaks in between the grinding process to scrape down the sides of the machine. That way there are no chunks left behind and it can become as smooth as possible. To make the caramel, I'm using guar gum, but you could use tapioca starch. I'm also using Himalayan salt, coconut cream, coconut sugar, and vanilla. Pour everything into the pot and let it simmer down for 5 minutes on medium to low heat. Now to make the nougat filling, I'm using coconut milk, coconut sugar, and stirring that down, putting it on the stove for 2 minutes just to make a simple syrup. Then I add almond butter and mix that together. Also add vanilla extract at this stage. We're adding more guar gum or tapioca starch. The last ingredient to make this nougat is protein powder, but you can also use any gluten-free flour like almond flour and you'll get the same result. After refrigerating the bars one more time, they're finally ready to dunk in that chocolate. Now, this can either be the dark chocolate straight from the grinder, or you can add coconut milk powder and a sweetener like monk fruit extract or powdered sugar to make the perfect vegan milk chocolate. That's it. Now, if you want a shinier finish to your chocolate, I recommend tempering it. I didn't do that this time, but it still tastes incredible. I hope this technique and recipe was able to help you, and thanks for watching.